Today is Rena's birthday, and she is very excited. I want a thrilling party, Dad.
Okay, done, but before that we will go to the temple.
Sure, Dad. After worshipping the god, they came out of the temple and saw some poor children standing.
Today is your birthday, Rena. Give them some packets of sweets and snacks.
Okay, Dad. The poor children became very happy. They thanked them and went to their homes. Thank you, Dad, for taking me to the temple. When I saw smiles on the faces of the poor children, it made me feel very happy. I really felt the joy of giving. I want to distribute packets of sweets and snacks every year on my birthday to the poor children. I feel that giving something to poor children makes me more joyful than celebrating my birthday party.
Of course, dear, we will surely do it every year on your birthday.
After that, they went happily to their home to celebrate Rina's birthday.